if you've never used DomoAnimate, you're going to want to register. Once you're registered for free, you can sign in and it will be up here that you sign in. I'm already signed in. So then you click on create and you get to the page where you have your space where you can create. I'm not going to do a slideshow, I would like to do a video, and I click on create and not watch tutorial underneath. And I can begin to create my video. I can click on Domo characters, or I have the choice of cartoon classics, holidays and seasonal, monsters, or stick figure. I prefer cartoon classics. I'm going to choose my boy to go in here, and then I'm going to choose my background just so that I have an idea of where I want to place him. There's a whole bunch of different backgrounds that I can choose from, and I can choose this one right here, or I can pick a classroom, which I saw before that I like. So I'm going to click on the classroom and I'm going to put him in here. He's not facing the way I would want him to because I want him to talk to somebody. So here I can flip him using these arrows. Then I can choose my other character that I would like to put in here with him. So I'm going to click on characters again, and I'm going to pick this girl and I'm going to put her in over here. Now I want them both to talk, so I'm going to choose this tab with the speech bubbles. Here's the first speech bubble, and I have to put it outside of that shadow. Do you see the shadow? It won't come up in the video, so it has to be all in the clear. And then I have to move this line so that he's talking. So I just click on the circle at the very end of it, and I can make it smaller if I go in as I drag it, or drag it out longer, and I'm going to make it smaller right there. And then for her, I want her to have one too, so I'm going to choose this one just to be different, and I'm going to drag it where I want it, and I can put it right here. So I can click on the inside of the box and type in whatever I want him to say, and she can say that. And then what I can do is down here I can also pick the different font properties, background color, all different things, okay? You can just try that out on your own. Once I have that done, I can pick an object to put, or more than one object to put. I choose the basketball. I'm going to put it over here on the table next to him. And then I'm going to go to, I could pick whatever I want. There's a whole bunch. You can look through them. I can also choose to click on the basketball. If I didn't want it, I can click on the X. If I want it to move, I can left click on it, and it says movement, and the movement it could do is a slide, so it can slide, and it shows you where it's going to slide to, okay? Next, I'm going to go to a new frame. I want a new frame, so I'm going to click on the plus sign. Oh no, music. I'm going to click on my music, and I want music here, so let's say birthday. So it's going to play some birthday music for me. And if I go down to the bottom, I can see that it's all the way to the end. These are all the different frames. So I'm going to left click on that, and I'm going to click on duration, and for it to be only in one scene. Now I'm going to go to my next frame. I'm going to click on the plus. New frame, same people are here. I can change them. If I click on them, I can actually click the X and delete them. Or I can also left click on the frame itself, here, down here in the frames, and I can clear it, and then it will be blank. I don't want to clear it, so I'm going to leave it here. And I'm going to maybe add a different object to my picture. So I'm going to go to objects again, and now I'm going to put the picture of a birthday cake because there was birthday music in the last one. And now I can go down, and instead of music, I can also have effects, different effects. So I could have the buzzer maybe being like the bell, and I could have that be in here. I can also go to voiceover. Now the voiceovers will only work if I have the Domo. Let's click on voiceover so you could see what I mean. See, there's different sounds that you can use. And as I click them, you can see that they're all down here. And so now I'm going to left click and I'm going to remove them. And you can try out the other ones and see if that works with them too. The other thing is you have FX, which are different effects that you can have. You can have water, and you'll see that when it clears away, you're going to see them in the water. You can also have a curtain here that opens on them. So it's all different things you can try out. I could click on preview to see what it all looks like, and if I'm happy with it. If I'm happy with it, I'm going to close it and I'm going to save it. And I'm going to call this test 3, and I have to put a tag as well. Test 3. And then I go to, I don't want it private, I want it public because I want to be able to share it. Scroll down, save and share. I can just save and then I could work on it next time, but if I share it, you're going to see that it's going to play for me, and then it's going to give me a choice to share. And now at the end it stops, and here you have all your choices. So I'm going to click on embed because I would like to embed it into my course, into my message. I'm going to copy the animation for my website. I'm going to go to my message board. I'm going to start a new thread that I'm going to call again test 1 or whatever it is, test 3. I'm going to click on this to embed it. I'm going to paste in my code. I'm going to save it. And now after I post it, it should be able to play for me when I go back to it. Test. I have to say that I want to show all content for security reasons, and that way it will save and show. And now I can play it in my course. And the other thing that you can do is I can go back to it, and I can click on the link and copy it. I can put that within my course, so I can edit my thread. I can just put in my link that I want, and then I will have it. New window, insert, and there it is. Once I save it, update, I can click on it, and it should bring me to my video, which it does.